It's the Aspiring Actor's Guide to New York. Yeah.
What is up, party people? Today we're talking about how to be lucky. The Roman philosopher Seneca said, luck is when preparation meets opportunity. So that person who booked Broadway very young didn't do it because they were lucky, except they did in a sense that they were prepared and they saw an opportunity. They went in for the right audition that they were perfect for and booked really, really young. And that's amazing. What I'm saying is it is possible to generate your own good fortune, you know? A guy named Richard Wiseman did a study in, I think, 2003, where he followed 400 people for over the course of 10 years, tried to determine whether luck was real. And he found that it is possible to generate your own good fortune by 4 basic principles. 1, being skilled at creating and noticing chance opportunities. 2, make lucky decisions based on intuition. 3, create self-fulfilling prophecies with positive expectations. And 4, adopt a resilient attitude that transforms bad luck into good luck. All that is easier said than done. It's not like you can just start doing these things and be good at them from day one. Some of them are actual skills. But it means that you can get good at generating your own luck. It's something that you can strive to get better at. I recently jumped on an opportunity that I wasn't sure that I was ready for. My buddy Vince is friends with Joe Iconis, and if you don't know who Joe Iconis is, wrote some pretty killer songs. He's an up-and-coming musical theater writer, and by up-and-coming, I mean he has a show coming to Broadway next year. Like, they have a venue already. So, like, he's arrived. You also recognize some of his songs. He wrote this song.
Oh, Broadway, here I come. Broadway, here I come.
And if you've listened to Be More Chill at all, he wrote that. Be More Chill is a pretty awesome show. You should check it out on Spotify. This is a song from Be More Chill that he did in the last concert.
I already know what it's like to be the loser. I should find out what it's like to not be the loser, or the geek, or the whatever.
But Vince saw that Joe had lost his videographer for the night. Joe was asking if anybody was willing to do it. Vince put my name in the loop. I agreed to do it, and now I'm doing another one for Joe on Thursday. So he liked my work enough that I'm doing it again. I may have created a new side hustle for myself just by being willing to do something that I wasn't super comfortable with. Fortunately, I do know enough about cameras that I was able to make adjustments on the fly, and I was able to pay enough attention on that first gig that I know how I could be leaps and bounds above what I did last time. The edited final product that I came up with for the first concert was good, but it wasn't great, and I think I could make it great for this next one. So that's what I'm gonna do. So yeah, it is possible to create your own luck. Now, some people are just inherently lucky. They're really good at noticing opportunities and hopping right on those. It's just like some people are inherently good at sports. I'm not one of those people. But they are skills that you can grow over time with enough dedication. So yeah. Anyway, thanks for coming out. Chase your dreams. Tune in every theater Thursday at 3 when we'll release a video like this. I'm gonna be going on tour pretty soon. So I may be doing the Aspiring Actor's Guide to Tour, or the Aspiring Actor's Guide to a Non-Union Tour, or something like that. So I don't know, let me know what you think of that idea. Chase your dreams, and cheers. I don't have anything to drink because I'm taking the dogs for a walk. Bye.